How you guys doing today? Today we are installing pump conversion winterizing kit. Now, this is my second attempt. I tried to make a video before, but it was not working. Had to take everything apart, and stupid me, I put a three-way, they call it a three-way valve. So basically, here's your valve. So if you look inside there, this is the open position, when you want to run to the fresh water to the pump. And then you turn to the closed position. So now that's open and that's closed. Well, I had it backwards. I had the antifreeze going into the holding tank. Well, it wasn't gonna, work that way. Stupid me. So here we go. We're gonna try round 2 of this and see if we can get this to work. Originally we're from we just moved here to New Jersey, so California don't get that cold, so we don't need none of this stuff. Maybe get in the 20s or whatever. So I'm trying to do it again now. Let's see. Let's see if you can see this. There's a pump right there. And then you want to disconnect the freshwater hose. Now mine has a screen on it for debris or whatever it could be in the freshwater tank. And this one you're going to want to make sure that C is to the pump when you install this. So basically the valve is just to face upwards. This is going to want to be facing towards you. If yours is on the wall, then out, you'll want to see C. Let's see. Let's see if I can get a good angle on there. I thought, oh yeah, it wouldn't be that hard. You don't need instructions for this. I had it earlier. I have to work on here. It says everything should be hand tight, but this is a tight area, so use a I have to unloosen it because This supposed to be facing upwards, and I can't go back up. It's a tight area to get in here. I'm almost there. Just don't want to break anything by having it too tight. That's not the deal. I don't want to. So with this one, I couldn't put the hose like this. It was too much angle. And it was pinching the line right here. So I went ahead and went to Lowe's and got this elbow. This is a male to female, or vice versa. I don't know the. And this is a 1/2 inch size. It has to be tightened more. I'll just tighten it. I went ahead and put Teflon tape on all this stuff. It came with the kit. Hopefully this don't leak. I don't have any water in the system because I'm going to winterize it and put it in the storage. Sorry for the camera being shaky. When I installed this last time, there's no clamp on this or anything. So for some reason it was loose. It wasn't sealing on there right. So I'll try this again. This is one of the times I wish I had a 5th floor travel trailer, because everything in these truck campers is just so compact. It's just so tight. See, it seems loose still. I mean, that's sucking nuts but air in. it's so tight I can't get pliers in there to get one last turn. That seems tight. Now, I don't have any antifreeze. I'm just gonna try it with water. It's not supposed to be that cold here anytime soon. It's supposed to be in the 30s in the morning, a couple days, but it's about as cold as it's gonna get. Try this out one more time and see if I get it to work. Now, see how that's supposed to be? The valve is supposed to be facing towards the pump. I had it backwards, and you'll see the open position. And you want to face it up. Now, yeah, now I feel such a fool before. It wasn't working at all. There it goes. It works. So, turn it off. And see if I see any leaks. I don't see nothing. Now, one thing I worry about is this: if the part for the freshwater tank's not work. There's no way to really test that and see if it's gonna work or it's... There's really nowhere to test this until next season, but as of now that it works, it'll be a lot helper than pumping it into the system. And I mean, it's not that big of a trailer, like a fifth or whatever. Probably it's a couple minutes, but this is a lot easier. Just put the bottle in there and let the system pressurize and everything. But yeah, so it's not that bad. It takes a couple minutes to install, maybe 15 minutes. I had, like I said, I had to get the elbow to have this piece come down because I couldn't have it going straight up anymore because it was pinched on line. Alright, if you guys have any questions, let me know. And I'll see if you guys will help. Like I said, there's the other videos on YouTube probably. But I thought I'd just do one with myself. And you guys take care.